I love it when it feels like Christmas time in the middle of the year. And that is exactly what today's video is all about. I'm gifting you something that's going to make your life better and help you create with ease, which, I mean, let's be honest, it's what all of us want. So let's get right to it. Hey there, Crystal here today, and I am excited to tell you about a fantastic resource that has everything to do with AI. It is the hot topic of 2023. Everyone wants to know, how can I use ChatGPT to make my life easier? How can I use BuzzSprout's co-host AI to make my podcast production faster? And I have another special gift for you today that I cannot wait to share with you. So, I have what I want you to go download it. It's a free guide that my friend and mentor, Amy Porterfield, recently released, and it's going to change your life. It's going to be so helpful. So, I want you to go to crystalprofit.com/AI course. And what you're going to see is the 3 steps to unlock your digital course idea using AI. I want you to go grab this free guide immediately because actually, I'm going to go full screen here for a second and that'll help you see everything. All you have to do is put in your first name and your email. You can put in your phone number, that's optional, and go ahead and get the guide. But it's going to help you really take that idea, the thing that you have been thinking about, because if you're like me and you have tons of ideas, you're like, okay, I have this podcast idea, I have this YouTube idea, I have all of these things, and I know that I can monetize it to help me create a course, but I don't really know what that looks like. And I would love to have someone to pitch and catch these ideas with. Well, why don't you go grab this free guide to help you walk through what that could look like to use an AI as your personal creative assistant? Because this is how I have been using AI and it makes all the difference. And you can see the no doubt certainty of I could teach that in my sleep makes creating a course a snap, teaching a course a joy, and selling a course the most natural thing in the world. So I want you to go grab it. It is a very simple tool to show you how to use AI to help you in your course planning, your course preparation, and you need to go grab it. You absolutely have to go grab it. So go to crystalprofit.com/AI course. And like I said earlier, you're going to put in your first name and your email. You can put your phone number in if you want to receive text updates from Amy. But then once that happens, you'll get this super cool page. It's going to be like, yeah, like you did it. You officially signed up for it. So once you put in your name and email, you're going to get an email from Amy letting you know how to download the guide and what you can do with it. So I'm going to click here and it's going to be, there we go. Okay. So here is the guide. I want you to go grab it. Of course, I'm not going to go through and show you all the things because I want you to go grab it. I want you to go grab it, download it, and start using AI today to help you create your digital course and learn how to don't you don't have to make everything so hard. That's the beautiful thing is you don't have to be so wrapped up in I'm stuck on this idea. I can't think of something like I know that there's something out there that my audience needs, but I just don't know how to get there. Let AI help you really work through those processes and come up with a digital course idea that could be the next big thing for you and your business. But that's all I have for you today. So like I said, go to crystalprofit.com/AI course to download this free guide today to get started. And then I want to know, what questions do you have about AI and course creation or creating content using AI? I would love to know. So put those in the comments. But make sure you hit that thumbs up on this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe below so you don't miss our future videos all about content strategy, podcasting, YouTube, all things digital marketing. And as always, remember, keep it up. We all have to start somewhere.